Now today we have talked about the chordates. These are those animals which having notochord whether in larva, adult or throughout the life. They are a high category of animals. There are about 1.2 million of animal species in the earth or earth. There are some important characters of this chordates phylum are having dorsal horn required, pharyngeal gill slits, and presence of tail. The largest class in the phylum Chordata are insecta, which have around 7,50,000 animal species scattered on Earth. As we going in evolution, how organisms modify, we get some primitive type of chordates, which are classified into two main categories: Eurochordates. The Eurochordates are those chordates which having notochord only in larval stage. As we see here, the Headmania example, the tadpole larva have only notochord and tail only in larval stage, but when you get adult, their both tail and dorsal notochord are diminished. So these are called Eurochordates. Then we can talk about the cephalochordates. These are those animals which having notochord from head to tail region. The head, there is example of Amphioxus. Amphioxus is example of cephalochordata having notochord. There is, as we see in diagram, the notochord start from head and to till the tail. The notochord is remains throughout the life, whether in adult or whether in larval stage. On the basis of animals, we are divided into animals into two main categories: Acanthostoma and Acanthostoma and Ganathostoma. Acanthostoma are those animals which having jaw, which don't have jaw in their mouth. I will say here the example of Petromyozoon. The Petromyozoon have a circle round mouth, but having gill slits, but don't have jaw in their mouth. These Petromyozoon are blood-sucking animals which having sangivorous diet, which sucks the blood of other animals. These Petromyozoon come in class Cyclostoma. The Cyclostoma are those classes of animals which having round mouths for sucking. Then we talk about the Ganathostoma. The Ganathostoma are those animals which having jaw in their mouths. These Ganathostoma are divided into two main classes. Pisces. Firstly, Pisces. The Pisces are those animals. The Pisces are those animals which are living in marine or marine freshwater condition, mainly found in that place where the water is present. These fish are of two types: the cartilaginous fish or the bony fish. The cartilaginous fish are those fishes which having the cartilage in their endoskeleton, but the bony fish are those bony fish which having bone as a part of their endoskeleton. Here is a photo of the bony fish. Then there is second superclass is the Tetrapoda. The Tetrapoda are those classes of animals which having four limbs for moving or locomotion from one place to another place. The Tetrapoda are of four types. As we see in the diagram, the four different animals are there. The first tetrapodas are amphibians. The amphibians are those animals which live in both water and land conditions. They are the connecting link between animals both land and water. These animals develop lungs for respiring in fresh water. Also, the example of these animals are turtle, crocodile. They mainly are oviparous, which lay eggs on the earth's surface. The most important character of these animals is having thin skin and which are always remain moist for respiration in air. Reptilia. Reptilia are those animals which creep on the surface of earth from one place to another place for moving. These animals show great difference from others, as you see here. Some of these animals having show camouflage technique. The camouflage are those technique in which animals protect themselves from other. The example of this are chameleon or lizard. Most important character of these animals are having epidermal scales on their skin. Now, apes. Apes are here's the example of apes. The apes are those animals where forelimbs are developed into wings for flying. And for flying, there are some conditions for apes are lightweight. They having very light weight and a hollow bone, and they have wings. They have wings whether in the place of their forelimbs. Example of these are parrot and pigeons. The animals, and the most important character of these animals having body covered with feathers. Now, last one is the mammalia. The mammalia, the term mammalia comes from the mammary gland, which developed by the mammals during evolution for feeding their young ones. They are the most developed animals in their kingdom, chordates. Their skin are modified. Their skin are covered with hairs. And the most important character of these mammalians are they have the external ear pinna. In whales, the external ear pinna are not present, but they, due to their tempering membrane, they count in the mammals. Thank you.